Welcome back. In this session, I'm going to explain to you what is meant with rich media. Now, up to this stage, we've used InDesign purely for print. We created our layouts. I showed you how to make your final PDFs that goes off to print. And we did an online version. But in chapter 3, we're going to dive into rich media further. And it's the most exciting part of our course. So what is rich media? Instead of creating a print design, which is based on millimeters and centimeters, in rich media, we work with things like video and sound and animation, as well as interactivity. But we're working in digital sizes. So we're no longer using centimeters and millimeters, we're using pixel dimensions, because all of this will, of course, be displayed on a screen. Now, in our examples, we're firstly going to create a digital PDF, after which we're going to bring rich media into it so that we can publish it online. And let's look at the example. We're going to create this digital guide together, and with it, we'll create a little menu system. So right at the bottom, we have the forward button, which takes us to the next page. We will create a gallery. With multi-state objects, we'll have these images scrolling through a number of images. Then we'll have the next page, and we'll insert video clip. That video clip runs straight on your design. And then we will have some interactive design where we can create buttons that bring up animations. And here it gets really interesting, because you can program these buttons to either be clicked or to have like a rollover effect, and it just brings your whole design to life. Then we'll also dive into infographics created with more advanced interactivity. So we'll have this example of a map, and when you scroll over some of these, some content will pop up, as well as over here we have the content, and see how the other content bits is moving out when you move off of that object. Then we'll also look at creating clicks, which bring up content. And just like the gallery example, we'll have multi-state objects where we can scroll through different images in one object. We'll also look at creating animations. Like here we want to see the route, and there's a little car driving along the route. We can have a sound clip playing afterwards of the car driving. Or in your case, you might have a voiceover where you want to explain something regarding that route in this instance. Then we're also going to look at an example where, in this case, we're showing the fly route. And when we click this button, there's our little plane flying along the route, and it pops up a video as well. And there you can see the plane there. So just imagine the possibilities with rich media. It just truly brings a story or a design to life. Okay, so guys, we will jump into all of this in chapter 3.